As seen, I've got the Africa Twin Adventure Sports AZgraphishop. We're gonna place those on the handguards. It's the same pattern as on the front, so they color match quite okay. I'm not really sure how it looks without the top foil off. There's some weird top foil over it, but we'll see. I've got the left one twice, so we'll start with that one. If I screw up, then we still have another one left, so let's see. First we start with some ethanol to clean the handguards, make sure the residue of the stickers is sticking well to the handguard itself. I'm not gonna lie, there are still some flies on here.
Direct naar antenne. Ja, werkt. Ja. Zet je mag erin. Ik mag erin, ja.
Dag heren. Tijd om je motorrijbewijs te halen, man.
Ja, lekker man. Ja, Afrika Twin, hè?
Afrika Twin inderdaad.
Mooie motor, man.
Thanks, thanks.
Fijne dag, hè.
Hij hetzelfde. He basically said if I get my motorcycle license, then I'll hop on a trip straight away. So I said, time to get it. Alright, so that looks pretty decent to me. Let's see. Just peel the sticker off, that's easier than cutting it. Hey, no problem. That one went on nice and easy. I have to admit, these stickers are top notch. Let's see if I get the bottom one on just as easy as the top one. The color is super close. I'll zoom in a bit. Alright, so I messed up a little bit. This one needs to be a little bit further in order to have them match very well. So this one needs to be a lot further to the right to make a match, but you don't have that much room for it. So basically what you got to start, you start with the lower one and then move up to the upper one. Let's see if that's still possible. Okay, I took that one up. Okay, I started with the lower one. Now let's see if I do the upper one, if it's better. It's not gonna get better than this. So now the other side. Lessons learned. First the bottom part. Like butter. That's an amazing fit. Look at that. The colors are just almost identical. I love it. Let me move a little bit back so you can see it in the sun. So now it's bright. Let's see the color match. That's amazing. Look at that. Not gonna lie, this makes the bike look way better. I'm still thinking of something on the front fender. Not too sure, but I have to say that this blue also, by the way, this blue matches that super well. I have to say that this looks so good.